words that are absorbed into Indonesian. The ones with orange color are in Dutch. The ones in red colors are in Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia, and the ones in black are English. And these two dots here above the letter E, or in Dutch A, it means we make sure to mention or to pronounce. It's not to mention, it's like letter E, that's to mention. To pronounce the letter, this one, when we pronounce the word. Instead of pu, it becomes poe, a. Poetry, poezie, In Indonesian, it is absorbed from Dutch. It becomes puisi. And the second one, worry. In Dutch, most people skip the letter N at the end of some words. But I'm not a native. I try to prevent doing mistake when I have to write the words. That's why you might find me keep pronouncing the letter N at the end of the word. This worry, most people will pronounce it as piekeren, but I will pronounce it as piekeren. And in Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia, it is pikiran.